The overall goal of this filter-based surface-enhanced Raman spectroscopy method is to detect various target molecules at trace levels in liquid samples.
Two advantages of this technique are the reduced cost and sample preparation time. More importantly, this technique provides higher sensitivity by using larger sample volumes, thus lowering the limit of detection.
Generally, individuals new to this method will struggle because nanoparticles may not be trapped in the pores of the membrane without a proper aggregation step, or they may not be uniformly distributed on the membrane.
To begin, prepare 100 milliliters of fresh silver nitrate solution and heat it to boiling on a 350 degrees Celsius hot plate with magnetic stirring at 700 RPM. Once boiling, immediately add 1 milliliter of freshly prepared sodium citrate solution and let the solution boil for 25 minutes. As the silver nanoparticles form, the solution will turn greenish-brown. After 25 minutes, put the flask on an unheated stir plate and let it stir overnight at 700 RPM. In the morning, the mixture should be at a stable state with a constant color and transparency. If desired, measure the absorbance of the nanoparticles. Proceed by diluting the mixture with ultrapure water to 100 milliliters. Then, use a zetasizer to measure the size of the silver nanoparticles.